So what we are doing now for this first step is the question here. The question that we have over here is 8 to the x minus 1. Where is my drawing? Here, we got it. Got it back. So this is the question that we are trying to solve now. What was the objective? Objective is that we want to make it something, an expression where the bases are equal. Do we have the bases equal here?
No.
Here we have an 8 and this is 1 over 8. But we do know, we discussed that last week also. Here, let me show you that we can write down something like if we have an e to the negative 1, we can write that as 1 over e, right? We can go backwards as well. There is another, anything that has an exponent which is negative 1 can be written as 1 over x. That's what we will use over here. That is what we're going to use over here. So if I will change this 1 over 8 in this way, look at that, x minus 9 equals 8 to the negative 1. And then I will put over here 2x minus a 9. Make sense? And now we do know that if there are two exponents within the parentheses, what we can do, we can multiply those two things together. So what will I do? I will distribute this negative over these two things. The negative 1 will get multiplied with 2x, and that will give you negative 2x, and then plus 9. Plus 9 or minus 9? What do you think? Plus 9 or minus 9? Negative or positive? Positive? Why? Because this is the negative 1 times negative, negative, negative is positive, right? And then 2x was positive, so positive 2x times negative 1 gave me a negative 2x. So that gives us the expression now in this way over here. 8 to the x minus 9. What's the benefit of doing all that stuff, bringing in the negative 1 and all that? The benefit now is that we have the same base on both sides, right? Is the base same now? 8 here, 8 here. Bases are same. So what can we do? What will be the benefit of having the same bases here?
Now we can like take x from both sides. Subtract.
Yes, what we can do, let me highlight, this thing and this thing can be equated. We can equate these two things. The exponents will be equated, and that will become here x minus 9 equals negative 2x plus 9. Right? Now we can solve it for x. I can leave it here for you to solve it. What do you think? What should be the next step? Subtract the x from both sides.
Yeah.
If I will subtract the x from here, what will you get? Here is gone. X minus x is 0. Negative 9 equals negative 3x plus 9. Negative 2x minus 2x, sorry, minus x is negative 3x. Right, Louis? Now, what should I do?
So to get rid of that minus 9, I think you gotta do now plus 9.
Do you want to get rid of this, or you want to make x alone on one side?
So then.
So if you want to make
9.
x alone, this need to go.
It's -9, but then
subtract a 9 from here,
18.
from here. Exactly. This will become now -18 equals -3x. What's next? What's next?
I'd say
What's next?
you have to cancel out the negative.
Negatives? Yes. How do I do that? Should I divide on both sides with what?
Negative.
-3.
Yes.
-3. Divide on both sides with a -3.
And I think negative.
Negative will be gone. Positives. That's what you wanted to do, right? You were saying there were negatives to go. Negative is gone. Then you would have done the next step as divide on 3 on both sides. So why not to divide with -3 on both sides? And that gives you what? X equals
6.
That's your answer. Easy or difficult? Keep the main thing in mind. You need to make the bases equivalent. When the bases are same, be good. That's how you will solve it. Now go put the number C yourself.
You said